The Ministry of Public Works has allocated $380 million in tender contracts for rehabilitation roadworks in Region 3. At the contract signing ceremony held in the ministry's boardroom, Minister within the Ministry of Public Works, Deodat Indar, urged contractors to employ residents to complete the work.
And we expect that the contractors would, when they're operating in the area, use community labor as much as they can and services from the community as much as they can. Because sometimes the community themselves have persons who can do the work, and they're seeing persons from outside coming into the community to do work that they themselves can do. So we're asking and we are saying to the contractors, when you go into these communities, look for workers in the communities that can do the work.
The contracts awarded for the rehabilitation of roads came about as a result of the persistent pleas from residents, farmers, and commercial businesses in the various communities. The contract for road repairs to the Schoonard Main Access Road was awarded to Mohammed Fawaz Bacchus Construction and Transportation Service, while the contract for Canal No. 1 was won by Japarts Construction Incorporated.